Right, so it's a human Swiss Army knife here again, and of course I'm in the middle of a project putting in a receiver, and found that I'm a loner, do it by myself, do it yourselfer, and so I have it up on a jack and I wedged it up in here, and then what I did was get under one side. This is a 2022 Acura MDX, and I just got under so I could get one bolt in. So I literally had to push up here, keep it balanced on this, and keep that other end of it just hanging on the muffler, and it worked just fine. I don't have to call anybody. Now I just have to get this a little bit tight, and I will probably put in the bolt on that side next. So I've got like 5 threads on this, so I'm good. So if you're trying to do it yourself, that's how you do it. If you like what you see, hit the bell.